Okay, let's get it. All right, guys, today I'm going to be talking about Kucoin and USDC. Can these two currencies go into insolvency? Okay, we're going to get into that. We also going to get into why you need a Trezor wallet or a Ledger wallet. Okay, we're going to get into that, and we're going to look at the crypto market and see what's going on. All right. All right, guys, so if you're new to the channel, my name is Rob the Water God. I give you up-to-date information on finance, news, and passive income that you need to know about. So if you like hearing information about crypto, finance, passive income, make sure you subscribe to the channel. All right, guys, so let's get to it. Here, we all know about Kucoin. Well, we don't. If we don't, I'm going to explain to you. But first, let's get into USDC. USDC, okay, there's been a rumor out that, you know, they have been loaning out more USDC than they actually have, okay? So Circle, which is the company that's behind USDC, Circle Yield, okay, they've pretty much came back and said, no, this is not true. We have enough money. USDC is fine, okay? But in actuality, we all don't know. We don't know, and that's why it's so important to have a wallet with your own keys and have that where you have total responsibility and you have your coins, okay? So now USDC, the alarming is that Jeremy Allaire, the CEO of the financial service company Circle, moved to quell rumors that the firm USDC stablecoin is on the brink of collapse. In a Twitter published over the weekend, Allaire said he can understand why the crypto community would be paranoid about USDC, taking into account that the recent collapse of several prominent crypto projects. But Circle is the strongest position it has ever been in financially, and we will continue to increase our transparency, stated the Circle boss. So basically what he's saying, that they're as strong as they've ever been. I mean, probably with a lot of people taking their money out of crypto and just sitting in USDC, but is it safe sitting in USDC if you're just loaning it out? All right. And so that's it with Circle. But I'm going to tell you who the guy who brought awareness to the Circle, and his name was Gerald Davidson. He said Circle USDC scheme is on the brink of collapse. If you read their SPAC IPO filing, it's clear they have been losing money constantly, but there's something dirtier happening underneath. They're at major risk of defaulting on USDC reserves. A deep dive on USDC. So he gave a, if you guys want to check out his Twitter, his name is Crypto Insider 23, at Crypto Insider 23. So he's given a scenario where USDC don't have the money, okay, that they've been losing money for a long time now. So my thoughts on all of this with USDC is, I don't want to see all of this with the crypto and everybody losing funds, because I think it's going to be more able to be controlled when they put out regulation. And I'm kind of going towards this, where I think all of this is happening to have a lot more control, not to just because, you know, they don't have any reserves or they're losing money. I feel like, just like we seen with FTX buying certain companies at 25 million, was it BlockFi? They're buying these crypto exchanges at dirt rate prices. So I think maybe to get more control and to get more leverage and position, they're forcing the crash, okay? The big boys, at least, all right? And that's just my take, guys. That's not financial advice, okay? So don't hold me to it. But let's get into Kucoin, all right, guys? So Kucoin, has been rumors that Kucoin have the same thing as well, okay? Now, we've seen Celsius, we've seen Voyager stop all their, all right, could we get definitely a snowball effect in these guys? Are these guys just Ponzi schemes? Okay, let's check it out. So withdraw from Kucoin right now. This is from Autoro, all right? This isn't financial advice. This is his opinion, guys. So it says withdraw from Kucoin right now, not a drill, no time to thread. like and retweet to spread the message. Otter, hardly wrong in such matters. Rumors link Kucoin's intent to stop withdrawals with the Terra and 3AC collapse, which, according to the warnings, led to an immense suffer for the exchange, owing to high exposure to the falling tokens. So, another guy says, beware the FUDs. This is Johnny Kucoin. Not sure who's spreading these sheer rumors and what their intentions are, but Kucoin does not have any exposure to Luna, 3AC, Babel, etc. No immense suffer from any Kucoin collapse, no plan to halt withdrawals. Everything on Kucoin is operating well. Now, everybody will say that, okay? Now, here it says, while dismissing the supposed rumors through the above tweet, Lou highlighted the company's strong position by disclosing a recent $150 million funding, which placed the company's valuation at $10 billion in May 2022. He also pointed out that the company is currently hiring for multiple positions, requesting investors to make their own judgment amid the ongoing FUD. Fear, uncertainty, and doubt. No immense suffer from any coin collapse. No plan to halt withdrawals. Everything on Kucoin is operating well. So, guys, the best thing you can do, who knows, okay? We don't know what can happen. I told you guys, I already think it was an attack on liquidity, attack on funding. Whoever has liquidity that they want to crash that, buy it cheaper. I think that's the big attack that's going on. So I hope these guys are working well and not able to lose anyone's money, but there's something going on, all right? Definitely something going on, with, at least with the FUD or something. So just got to be safe, guys. We do got the link for the Trezor wallet in the description, so you can have total ownership of your coins, okay? You don't have to give them to nobody else, and you don't have to worry about this stuff, okay? So let's look at the market. Bitcoin had a little pump. I think it almost touched 20,000, so things looking a little up for crypto right now. If you're trying to long or short, it probably should think about shorting it with all of this FUD that's going on. But crypto is staying at its stale place, and it's not moving too far up or too far down. So we may be at the bottom, but after this July 4th weekend, we'll definitely see what happens to the markets. But Bitcoin is looking solid at that $18,000 to $20,000 range. So, guys, that's it for this video. Make sure you leave me a comment on what you think. Do you think Kucoin and USDC going down? What's your thoughts? Catch you guys in the next video. Peace.